Hello lovelies, how are we doing today? Welcome once again to my channel. This is Evangel Recipes and Family. Welcome. For those who have been watching my videos, thank you so much. For those who have subscribed, I am grateful. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, and please share the videos, like, comment. Let me get to hear from you. Today we are going to be making spiced Nigerian butter chin-chin. Spiced Nigerian butter chin-chin. Here I have my flour. This is about 450 grams of flour. Here I have half teaspoon of salt. I'm adding it. Here I have a three-quarter tablespoonful of baking powder. I'm adding it. Here I have about 5 tablespoonfuls of sugar. You see, I'm not adding so much sugar because it's going to be spicy. Now on this plate I have all the spices that I need for this chin-chin. I have in here, I have turmeric, I have powdered onion, I have black pepper, I have red chili powder, I have coriander powder, I have rosemary leaves, I blended almost all the spices I use in cooking. I just blended them because I just want to spice up my life a little. I don't want to just eat something that is very sugary and all that. So I want something that will give me some spice, you know. So that's why I'm adding these spices. I'm not going to put everything because it's quite spicy. So I'm going to quickly mix all the ingredients together so that it will blend very well. Yes, if you have not eaten spiced chin-chin before, just go and try it and you will never eat unspiced chin-chin. Especially if you're the type that likes to take chin-chin with juice or with whatever drink you have in the house. Just try and spice it up a little. Inside the spice, I also have a cardamom and a cinnamon stick. Just little tiny bits. The cardamom I have is just one seed, and then the cinnamon is just very tiny stick, just to spice it up a little, you know. After eating all these sugary things, you just want something that will give you some spice. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I think it's okay. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to add my butter. This is about 220 grams of unsalted butter. It is unsalted. I just got it out from. So I'm going to be mixing this together. I just want it to be like breadcrumbs. That's exactly the texture I want. This is exactly what I want, just like crumbs. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make a pit at the center. And then I have my pasteurized fresh milk. Then I'll be adding in bits. I will add a little more. So this is it, guys. I will cover with plastic paper and then allow it to sit for about 10 minutes before we start cutting. Yes, lovelies, it's been sitting for about 10 minutes, so this is the time to roll out and cut. This is my rolling pin. I have to use some flour to massage it. Also, this is the receiving tray where I will be cutting into, just to be sure it's going to go smoothly. So we open our dough and then we bring up. This is the dough. Remember, the color is like this because of the spices we added. So I'm going to be cutting this into bits. Yep. This. Just because my rolling pin is quite small, so I have to roll them out in small bits. So you just put them together. Then you roll out. Never mind the breakages, it's going to be really crisp. So lovelies, we have been cutting our chin-chin. This is the last batch. So guys, we have finished. This is what we got out of it. So the next thing is to prep the oil to start frying. Please stay tuned, do not go anywhere. So lovelies, we are going to be checking our oil. It's been on heat for some time now. Oh, it's not hot enough. We'll allow it to heat a little more. Start adding the chin-chin. This is our tester dough. It's quite brown. So we'll start adding. A little at a time, guys. This is just okay. Wow, the aroma here is, oh my god, the aroma here is something else. Lovelies, we are frying on medium heat because we don't want it to brown so fast or rapidly. We want it to cook very well. So we are frying on a medium heat. It's ready to go down. It's that simple, guys. Look at it. Look at what we're talking about. Can you beat that?